Welcome to Marty Can Cook channel. Today I'm going to cook rice with vegetable. The first thing I will do is I will boil 1 cup of jasmine rice with 2 cups of water. We can use the brown rice as well, but today I'm going to cook the white jasmine rice. Before I cook it, I will rinse it with the water. Now I just put 2 cups of water and I added a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I also added 1 teaspoon of oil. Now I added the rinsed white rice, 1 cup of rice. Now I will let it boil for about 15 minutes, from 15 to 20 or 30 minutes. As you know, I just cooked pizza and posted a video. This is a leftover from a pizza topping. This is the caramelized onion. I'll add about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. This is a very simple dish, and I'll add all the ingredients: the cherry tomatoes, the bell peppers, and the jalapeno pepper, and the pineapple. I added a pinch of salt. I added a pinch of black pepper. I also added 1/4 teaspoon of oregano. This is just a very simple dish, but so delicious. In the meantime, I'll check my rice if it is ready. It seems like it's ready. Yes, it is ready. So I'll take it out from the rice cooker. Now I'll add the hot dog, which is a leftover from the pizza I made last time. Now it looks ready. I'll put it on my rice. It smells really good and it looks really good. I can now wait till I taste it. It tastes really good. Just for a decoration, I'll chop the green onion and spread it on my dish. This is a very simple dish. It smells really good, it looks really good, and it really tastes good. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do, don't forget to subscribe and share and comment below. Thank you for watching.